So, what's inside? Here! Hi guys! Welcome back to Paduster's Tips and Tricks by Mommy Cheryl. So, Ina here is with me. She's my darling daughter. Okay? So, what are we going to do, Ina?
And do our Shein haul.
Shein haul. We're gonna unbox something, right? Okay. Ready na kayo, guys? Mag-unbox kami ng aming Shein haul. Okay? Let's see how big it is. Ina, look! It's so big! There! See? We're going to open this box. Can you please help me, Ina? There we go. Okay, this one back. And
Mommy,
ay! So, what's inside? Here! Okay, isa-isahin natin, ha? Just wait. Ina, bago natin isa-isahin yung laman ng box, sabihin natin yung story behind it. Okay? So, una, birthday ni Mama G, di ba? Malapit na. So, kailangan namin ng shoes. So sabi nila, okay daw yung shoes sa Shein. So, itatry natin at kung kakasya sa atin. Kasi medyo malaki din ang paa ng lola nyo, di ba? Then, aside from that, sa Shein lang ako nakakabili ng damit ko ngayon dahil sobrang laki ko nga di ba? So nahihirapan akong maghanap ng damit sa mall. So meron silang available na sizes ko. Wala na akong damit ngayon na masuot tapos babiyahe pa kami. So kailangan ko talaga mag-stock ng damit. So isa-isahin na natin, Ina. Okay. First one, what's this? Clothes. It's a dress. Ano, Ina? So, it's a long dress.
wow.
Yan.
So cute.
Sana kasya sa akin. Sinukat ko naman may medida naman ako lagi. So, mini-make sure ko na pasok yung katawan ko. So, ayan. Okay naman yung tela. Next one. Ina. Next one.
Okie dokie. And
Tagal
the
ng
next
assistant
one.
ko. Oh,
I know how
wala ka na dun sa ano.
Yeah. What?
So this one, wow. What's this? Wait, later. We'll show that later. Ayan, long dress ulit.
How
Para
much
sa
long
akin.
dresses are
Kaya ako gusto ko long dress. Parang isang suotan na lang. Wala nang pili-pili, di ba? Tapos, at saka mas tipid sa bagahe sa, sa eroplano. Kasi isang lagayan na lang. What's next? What's this? Pants. Ayan.
You don't
Ako
have
parang
any
ang laki na
pants.
naman. Ayan, pants. Tapos, what else, Ina Pot? Wala ka na dito, oh. Ano? Ayan, blouse. Ayan. Blouse. Nako, ayun na, tumakbo yung anak ko dahil nanggugulo yung daddy. So, another pants for me. Ayan.
How much pants are there?
Ang lalaki, no? Wala Wala na akong magawa dahil masarap kumain diba? Ayan. Nice. Parang ganda ng dress na. See? What else, Ina? Oh! This
Another
one!
matchy.
Yes! Ang
What happened to
galing-galing.
your old matchy?
Yeah, we still have our other matchy. This one, I bought this. Hindi siya long, pero I bought this para matchy kami ni Ina. Si Ina kasi may dress na ganito. So, para matchy kami. So, dalawa na yung matchy clothes namin.
Yay.
Ayan. This one, another dress. Daming dress. Nice color. Very bold color. Yeah, later. See? Nice. What else, Ina?
pre-open for you.
What is this? Oh,
what
pants.
bras are there?
Pants na. Pants. Pants for me. What else? Dress to, no? Oh, nice color. Okay naman yung mga tela niya, guys, so far. Wala pa namang pangit.
Woolly.
So, ayan.
First thing gonna be
Green dress. Ay, green. Ano to? Parang dark blue-green.
Yeah, blue-green.
Ayan. Ayan, may pocket to. Cute.
Yeah.
May pocket siya.
I
sa
love
harap.
dress pockets.
Really?
Uh-huh. You can fix that.
They cannot see you, sweetheart.
Of course we can. That's why I'm over here with the boxes. I'm
Oh.
pre-opening it for you.
Yeah, okay. So, another dress with button-down dress.
Yum.
Then, what else? Oh, yum. Yummy.
No, I just
So,
because
ito.
I like this. This is
Blue
small.
dress. Blue
This is
dress
pants.
naman. Ayan. A blue dress.
I love blue dresses.
Wala tong pocket. Iba naman siya.
Man.
Blue dress. Diba? What is this?
Oh, we're going to the shoe.
Bakit merong ganito?
I don't know. It said.
Oh.
Don't.
Ah! Blouse pala siya na may arte. Akala ko kung ano na. So, if you figure out ko na lang kung paano, ano siya. What happened? If you figure out ko na lang siya kung paano siya suotin. Ah, ayun. Ayun, dito. Ano ba to, Ina? So,
I don't
ayan.
know. Things keep on
Ano
falling.
siya? Shirt na may ka-artehan. What is that, Ina? Ako, bundok na
I
dito.
don't know.
Oh! Pero natawa yung anak ko. Bakit daw bumili ako nito? Ano to eh? Bra, ano? Sticker bra. Ano? Ayan o. Para hindi na kailangan magsuot ng bra. Ididikit mo lang siya sa boobies mo. Ayan. Tapos, as is na siya. Ayan. So, ayan.
I appreciate that.
Para, kasi mainit, di ba? Minsan magbra. So, pag kailangan mo ng, minsan mga string na, ano, na clothing, o kaya off-shoulder. Yan. Yan yung gagawin ko.
But it will be painful removing it.
No. Oh, this one is for Ina.
Yay!
Ayan, ang cute ng shoes ni Ina.
Shoes.
Ayan. Ang laki na kasi ng paa niya. Ayan, ang cute ng shoes, di ba?
Is that insulting me?
I'm not insulting you. I'm just saying that you're growing too fast. And
I'm not going too fast.
your feet are so big already. Yan, cute. What's that?
Next one, pink one.
Ito.
You,
Oh.
it's yours.
Meron akong, ewan ko kung kakayanin ako nito.
Wow.
Platform shoes. Ang laki, di ba?
I don't see.
Oh, it's a platform shoes.
Wow.
This one, when I'm angry at daddy, I will, target him like that.
Hold on. Hold on. I just need to go
Wag
to
na! Ay, we're still filming.
Hold on. Hold on.
Okay. Ulit talaga ng anak ko. Susubukan daw niya sa daddy niya. Oh, next, Ina! Look! What's this? Oh, this is, I think this is for you again.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah! The
My
cute.
puppy.
Oh.
Daddy was surprised.
Oh, this one. Ina loves pink.
Is
And
this something that called pink?
she's arte-arte. Oh. She's so kikay. That's why she had this cutie pair. See, yung cute-cute oh. Mamaya, sukat niya yan. Size 6 na kasi siya, no? Nako, pang-adult na. Di na pang kids. This one,
Is your shoes again?
I think this is for you. Ito,
Again?
susuotin ni Ina sa birthday ni Mama G. And the last shoes
For you.
for me. Here.
Yay.
Ayan. Sana kasha. Paghirap kasi akong hanapan. So, yun lang, guys. Oh, excited ka na? So, that's it, Pansit. See you again soon. Bye!